good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you dey watch me for. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. Today, we come talk to the Controller General Immigration. Controller General Immigration, you need to explain to Nigeria and most importantly, Edo people, for the past 2 years, now this matter don dey happen for our state. But before I go lead my protest, go for immigration, I just want to let the world know that Nigeria international passport going to 2 years now. If you want to do am for Edo State, for Benin, for Rama Park, it's either they refer you to Kogi State, or they refer you to Asaba, or they refer you to Bayelsa, or they refer you to Port Harcourt. At times, people will go Calabar, go do am. This matter don dey happen for the past 2 years. Today, we dey call on Immigration Controller General for nationwide. Why this Nigeria passport dey scarce for SASA? That is number one question now. When I dey ask the Controller General, where dey Abuja, this international passport, why e dey scarce for SASA? As we speak today now, e no get any state where you go go for SASA where I say this booklet of international passport dey. But if you go northern Nigeria, you go Nasarawa, you go Kano, you go Kaduna, you go Maiduguri, this international passport is available there. Why? We want you to explain to Nigerians. We want you to explain to Edo people. A lot of people now, most especially our brothers and our sisters, where their passports don't expire, they dey stranded now. They dey stranded. This international passport, now our property, now our right to do am. Even when we hold our money now, we no dey fit get am for Edo State. The governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this matter don dey happen for the past 2 years. If you want to do this passport for Edo State, for Benin, it's either they go refer you to Kogi State or they refer you to another state. At times they refer people to Ondo. So, Controller General Immigration, why they give you that position now to bring idea for immigration? That institution, now to bring ideas for that institution. Today, you don't get any state where you go for SASA, for Niger Delta, where you go see this booklet. A lot of people, they don't get lament fees, importers for inside market, nothing renew their passport. You go this immigration office, they say no booklet. You go the other state, no booklet. You go here, they say no booklet. But one side of the country, they get the booklet. With a shame as an injustice, with a shame as an intimidation, with a shame as see finish to SASA people. All the Controller General where we don't get for the past 4 years now. Now wetin don dey happen to Edo people be this? E no get any time when you go take go down Rama Park for immigration office, make dem give you your international passport there. It's either they tell you say no booklet never come, make you you go to that state, you can never go to that office. They will do your international passport for you. So, Controller General, we want to make you explain to Nigeria and make you explain to adult people, home and abroad, why the matter be like that. Like this international passport now. Some people there now for the past 3 months for a just state where their passport don't expire. They want renew. To even renew not a problem. They'll tell you say booklet, no day. Does it mean say the money where that immigration don't they make? They don't get reserved to print booklet, just to print this booklet, just to print this international passport. What do they want to take federal government? Muhammadu Buhari, Mr. President, what do they go take these immigration people to print this booklet, passport, Nigerian passport? What do they want to take them? Today, this passport, the official price now how much? The official price now how much? But to get this passport now, you go spend like 60,000 naira. Yes! To get this international passport now, because of the they say go here. Somebody, immigration they call me today. Somebody call me say go Nasarawa State. They get from Nasarawa State. Why Nasarawa State will get booklet and Edo State no go get booklet? Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, I beg, call the commander for immigration for Edo State. Call am, make this passport available for Edo people, home and abroad. This matter don't get ground for the past 2 years. He dey pay me for body. He dey pay me for body well. Somebody will be say he hold the money to do the passport. The story where you go dey hear no booklet. My brothers and sisters, as una dey watch this video, make una dey share am. Make una dey share am until the Controller General Immigration see this video. Because some part for the country, nothing they get booklet, then SASAC no get. SASAC no get. Anybody who want to do this passport now for Edo State must go to another state to do. Is it supposed to be like that? Immigration Controller General now they ask now. Now question now they ask why? Delta State wey near Edo no get. Bayelsa State no get. River State no get. Cross River no get. Anambra no get. Enugu no get. Even Udo State no get. Then some part for the country they get an SS. All this one are injustice. So we are calling our governor, because now he be the chief security of the state. Anything when they happen for Edo State today, now he go fair call. Now make me they call him now. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, call the immigration commander for Rama Park. Make international passport available for the people of Edo State. Our Edo people they reach their life on road. When they say they travel, go they drive for another state. In case you won't call me as we talk, so you fit call my line 080-5384-1781. 080-5384-1781. This passport, when I dey talk about, wetin dey wan take federal government to produce am? Wetin dey wan take them to produce am? So that they go fit make am available from every state. Even Nigeria embassies for different countries. Now some Nigerians wey dey diaspora, Edo people wey dey diaspora, still dey struggle to get this booklet booklet, this international passport. Federal government is making a lot of money from this passport. Why? They don't they invest back for the passport today for grant so that our people go fit collect am. I know how many people don't call me say they want to renew their passport. They don't see booklet. They want to renew their passport. They don't see booklet. I know how many people they tell me, they want travel to do passport now. No problem. Importers full inside our market. Now inside market are there now. Inside market now they do this report. Inside market. I know how many importers we're supposed to travel now. Go China. Go Germany. Go America. Go buy goods come. But this international passport is not available. Controller immigration, is it right? Is good like that? For somebody to be controller, immigration officer. Now you say you supposed to bring ideas when Nigerians will get this passport. If another thing there, why una don't want to make it available? Make una tell Nigerians and the job people. Make una tell the job people. Wetin me don notice. Wetin me don notice for the past 2 years. Now they talk now to get international passport for Edo State. Not the day easy. They must refer you to another state. We don't want them again. We don't want them again. May they bring the international passport come their office so that anybody wey need am go fit dey do am. One of my brother Friesen want international passport. He have to travel to Bayelsa, and he reach Bayelsa, he no see am do. He dey risk in life for road. Na so many people dey suffer this thing when they talk and they no fit cry come out. So you when they see me and you dey hear my voice, and this thing you still dey pass through all this thing so that they talk for immigration hand. Share my video. Share this video until Muhammadu Buhari, the president and the Controller General Immigration and Interior Minister, all of them when they charge, may they see am. Waiting to take federal government to produce this international passport. Yes, waiting you want to take them. Waiting you want to take them. If you want to do this passport now, the official price now very small money. But if you want to one between 55,000 to 60,000, different price. Why? Because you must travel. Where you travel, you must stay hotel before you fit one the next day. Before you know, money don't they go 80,000 or 80-something thousand. Why? They say people with the power of corridor, they make things. They hard for poor masses. My name still remain Comrade Lucky or Rupe. In case you won't call my number, you want add voice to my voice, you want contribute your quota, or you get anything where concern this passport matter where they talk. The thing they touch you, you won't call me, you will call this number 080-5384-1781. 080-5384-1781. Controller General Immigration, make this booklet, international passport, available for all states. Make it available so that the people, when their own don't expire, they feel renew their own. The people when they want get new one, so that they feel get. You know, go good. Say people want renew passport. Common passport, na common passport, na book na see am, na booklet na see am. Booklet, common passport, yes. It dey common now, yes, to produce all the money now. This one na booklet, na book. Where we say na people, yes, na people dey do am. So wetin you want take immigration or federal government to provide them for Nigerian masses, for Edo people. So I dey report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. Thank you.